पणजे नुस्त्या मार्केटाची इमारत धोकादायक जाल्ल्यान ती मोडपा विशीं पणजे महानगरपालिकेन मंगळारा नुस्त्या मार्केटांतल्या 12 दुकानदारांक नोटीसी काडिल्ल्यो. मात दिल्ले मुजती भितर सामान दुसरे कडेन व्हरप शक्य ना आनी महापालिकेन आमकां दुसरी सुवात दिवची अशी दुकानवाल्यांनी मागणी केल्ली. हे विशीं उलयतना महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरातान सांगलें की ह्या दुकानदारांक स्थलांतरीत करचेच पडटले, तशेंच तांची दुसरे कडेन वेवस्था करतले आनी ते खातीर लागपी निधीचो खर्च पालिका करतली.
So they म्हणटा की पयली आमकां प्लेस दिया, then we will vacant म्हणटा ते.
See, now only people have to be relocated. First are those people at the bottom, the mutton vendors and chicken vendors and fish vendors. I am not interested in touching them at all. There are a lot of illegal activities that are going up on the top floors. We want to seal that first. Now we had issued demolition order for the building itself. Now those people had applied for a stay. Same people that we're sealing right now. So see, the building is unstable. Now like this building, people are saying that it would fall for 10 years. Now finally it has fallen. I don't. If the same thing happens to the market, we're talking about the deaths of hundreds of people. So I'm not. Nobody wants to take that responsibility. So we want to clear that. I've told the mutton vendors and all those people the moment they want to be rehabilitated, I will fund their full cost. It's not an issue for me. They said they were happy with it. There's no problem. First, let me seal the building and make sure that nobody can access the building first. But anyway, now we want to I want to put up plans for the phase 3 of the market also. So I want to demolish that building and consolidate everything and relocate all the vendors into the new phase. So temporarily, if any arrangement has to be made, I've told them we'll make the arrangement for them.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर रिपोर्टर वर्षा अश्वेकर.